Today is Styling My Way. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Tablescapes by Candy. Their co-hosts are Deborah Kabaska Home Living, Design with Emma, myself, Debbie Bubbles, C9 Design, and Decorating with Jezza Green. I am on vacation, so I'm using whatever I could come up with to do this video. So come along, let's take a look. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Style It My Way. And we just happened to be on vacation, so I did not want to miss the collaboration since I am a part of it. So what I've done here is just came up with a little do-it-yourself tablescape so I could show this to you all. And I'll let you go ahead and look at it, and you can see how I had to use whatever was here and try to get my creative juices flowing with the fact I didn't have much to work with. Okay guys, as I said, this is gonna be a very short video because I am filming this from the resort where we are staying. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, here they have a table for 4. And what I've done is made the place setting for 2. It does come with a place setting for 6 because this is a 3-bedroom. This one has 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms downstairs and 1 upstairs. So we have like 2 tables, but this is the table in the 2-bedroom area, and right across the hall we have a 1-bedroom. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. And what I have here, I have used the dinnerware that comes with the resort. So we have the beige placemat, the wine glasses, that's the dinner plate, the salad plate, we have the bowl. Now, I've gotten a little creative here with my table runner, and what I've used paper towel for my table runner, and I took the little glass there and just added a little sponge to it to make my centerpiece. And I have it set up for 2. As you can see, they have a couple of beautiful prints here on the wall, and everything is in a neutral, which is very basic. There's a fireplace, and we have a TV. Really a nice place here. Over in this corner, I went ahead and poured the lamp and the end table over. I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor and More and Tablescapes by Candy for inviting me to be a part of Style It My Way from home. I'm going to leave their information and all of the co-hosts in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out all of their channels. I want to thank the Design family for coming along with me today, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma coming to you from vacation. I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.